Namaste. The launch of brand Sattva and its first session, Artist Beyond Borders, was conducted on 20th September 4 pm. Brand Sattva was launched aligned to a broader vision of providing good health of body and mind to all. Under the scope of this brand, one area is Yukta, which is completely focused on yoga, dance, and music. The session started with a prayer by Miss Sukumari BG, retired music teacher, an official welcome by Miss Dilipa Hare, who is the instructor and coordinator of Yukta Yoga and Dance program. The keynote address was delivered by Ms. Vishaka S. Hari, who is the founder of the concept Sattva, along with her sister Dilipa. The session was blessed by the presence of Pandit Ramesh Narayananji. He is a renowned Hindustani classical musician and composer. He had conveyed his words of fascination in the concept of execution of this program and also have delivered a few lines of his divine music. In this series will follow on October 20th with another renowned personality. In this video, I included some of the precious moments of our session. Please watch. Thank you.
Good evening all. We are just waiting for others to join. Maybe by 4 o'clock sharp we will start. Thank you for your patience.
Good evening and thank you all for joining. Let me extend my warm welcome to all. Today we have renowned experts joining this session, which is indeed a grace for us. We are so grateful for your participation besides your busy schedules. We will open the session with lamp lighting and a short prayer by Ms. Sukumari BG, mom of both of us. So please join. Let's have an introduction about the intention of this program. We have launched the brand Sattva aligned to a broader vision of providing good health of body and mind to all. Under the scope of this brand, we have created a branch Yukta, which is completely focused on yoga, dance and music. We would like to emphasize that you will experience a significant variance in this program compared to the traditional practices seen around. We also focus in communicating the vision through online platforms majorly, as the same are easily accessible to all. I would like to welcome my sister Ms. Dilipa S. Hari for extending warm welcome to prominent guests and participants.
Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome to the first series of online virtual platform Artists Without Borders by Yukta Online, a part of Sattva. That is by my sister Vishaka Hari. I wish to welcome our resource person Guru Saraswati Venkataraman, a renowned dancer and yoga practitioner, a founder of RVR Studio. And she is coming from Chennai. Uh, Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to this session. We are very glad to see you and meet you in this platform. Yes, ma'am. I wish to welcome with extreme happiness and pleasure my Guru Pandit Ramesh Narayan ji. He is the composer and music producer who works predominantly in the film industry. As a gifted composer, he composed many songs. For example, Darshok, Maghrib, Meghmalhar, Ratri Maya, for so many films. So I warmly welcome him to this event. He will be joining soon. Within 15 minutes, he will be joining soon. I welcome all my teachers, gurus, and friends to this session, both academic and occult. I welcome all the participants present here, including my friends, relatives, persons, foreign friends, foreign students all over the world, and my family members, well wishers, and 92.7 Big FM, Sunni, and Firoz. I welcome him to this platform very.
A few words about our chief instructor. Guru Saraswati Venkataraman is the founder and instructor of RVR Yoga and Dance Academy, Chennai, and she is having long years of expertise in this portfolio. She is a trained classical Bharatanatyam dancer and was introduced to yoga at a very young age. Later, after becoming a grandmother and at the age of 48, she started her studio to impart her knowledge in dance and yoga. She specializes in therapeutic yoga and has healed many people with chronic and acute illness. I had experienced her grace in person when I was a student to her for almost 2 years in Chennai RVR Academy. I had several health issues while I joined, but with her strong mental support and expertise, I was able to sail across the tough times and always remember her only with a smile. Thank you, ma'am. And full of gratitude in mind ever. Let me invite beloved ma'am to share his proficiency to all who have gathered here.
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
audible? Okay. Welcome all. Thank you, Vishaka. Thank you for the lovely introduction.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Excited to see you all this Sunday evening. It's a pleasure. Thanks to Yukta, my Deepa, for organizing and inviting me. My best wishes for her yoga and dance school. You are a lecturer, so I'm sure you are extremely dedicated and talented. You are a dancer, you practice yoga, you play veena, and you're a multi-talented lady. And I wish you all success in your entrepreneur. And women, all women here, it's very cheerful to see you all. And during this pandemic, it becomes very difficult for us for a get together or meet anywhere. It becomes very difficult for us to go anywhere, a family get together or social gathering. Everything has become very difficult at this time of pandemic. Organizing such virtual platform, I thank you very much. This is a nice virtual platform to share our energy and for some productive reason. Thank you all, and today I promise you that this will be really beneficiary for each and every one of you. I will be giving yoga tips to clear all your health issues, and any dancers here, they can use this to focus on their dance. So just driving alone, what will happen in course of time, what happens is you will develop a neck pain here. So what happens when this neck pain, slowly it will become spondylitis. So you will feel difficulty in driving. The same way when you are writing, when it is a art, painting, drawing, everything, you use your right hand 3 hours when it goes for a drama or something like that. Okay, what happens then? Then breathlessness, you will feel panting, you will pant, then you will breathlessness, so losing stamina, everything you will be getting. So when you practice yoga, see, that is why I started learning yoga. In a very young age, I went to learn Bharatanatyam. So my teacher insisted to learn yoga. So on my arrangetram, I wanted to dance snake dance. So for that flexibility in dance poses, snake dance poses and all, my teacher told, you have to learn yoga, and I started learning yoga from a very young age. What happened was when I started, no breathlessness, nothing. Complete success. All applause. Okay, practice yoga. Now, next I'll be telling you how to fight COVID, this pandemic, with this yoga practice. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am. 1 second. Our chief guest, Pandit Ramesh Naranji, has joined.
Okay,
So
sure.
just wanted to welcome him and with a message that we are blessed with his presence. So, welcome, sir. Welcome to our session. We are so much blessed to have you on this session.
Good evening, everyone. I am very much happy to welcome my guru, Ramesh Naranji, to this session. Yes. Sir, welcome to this session, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine, sir. Happy.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm fine. Yeah.
So, we are very much blessed to have you on this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, same to you all. I'm so happy to be here with you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sorry. Tell.
Sir, session is
So,
going on. Okay.
yeah. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും വളരെ വളരെ നല്ലൊരു കാര്യമാണ് ഇവിടെ. You doing a wonderful job here. So, Yukta, music and dance, and you're connecting with music and I think yoga and everything. No, that is great. This all എല്ലാവരും connected ആണ് actually. Yoga is related ആണ്. Yoga, music, and dance, whatever it is. നമ്മള് പാടുന്നത് തന്നെ we are doing the riyaj, but when we will start the riyaj, no, itself we are ആ തുടക്കം തന്നെ നമ്മള് ബ്രീത്ത് എക്സസൈസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആദ്യം. when we start singing, യോഗ അവസ്ഥ പോസ്ചറാണ് സിറ്റിങ്ങിലുള്ളത്, ഇരിക്കുന്നത് തന്നെ യോഗ അവസ്ഥയിലാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യൻ മ്യൂസിക് ഇറ്റ് സർവീസ് യോഗ അവസ്ഥയിലാണ് അത് പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അങ്ങനെ ആ മ്യൂസിക് യോഗ ഈസ് വെരി ക്ലോസ്. അത് പറയേണ്ടതല്ല, എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയുന്നതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് വി ഹാവ് ടു ഫീൽ ഇറ്റ്. നമ്മൾ അനുഭവിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമാണത്. എന്തായാലും ദിലീപ, എസ്പെഷ്യലി കൺഗ്രാജുലേറ്റ് ദിലീപ. You started under me long back. Just mentioned you.
Yeah.
I know. Started, yeah. So we. Unfortunately, I think you couldn't continue the lessons from me.
Yes, sir.
No problem. So all the best for your workshop. Yukta is wonderful title. I like this title also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. 2 lines for us as a blessing. Would you please?
Yeah. Shama Murari Banwari, Shama Murari, Shama Murari Banwari Giridhari, Madana Mohanahu Sharana Tripurari, Shama Murari Banwari, Banwari, Gwal Gopal Lalananda Juke Lal Gopal, Gwal Gopal Lalananda Juke Radha Raman Kunja Bihari, Shama Murari Banwari Giridhari.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this blessed evening, and you made it very wonderful way.
Thank you,
Could you please tell me which raga you entered?
Yes, this is Puri Dhanashri. This is Puri.
Very good, very beautiful raga. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Mohan?
Okay, all the best. Carry on. Actually, I was in a recording take also. Good.
Yeah, we know, sir. We know that you are coming out of very Buddhist.
Yes, sir. You can see the here. Yeah.
Very thank
Well,
you.
okay. All the best. Take care. Take over.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay.
We all are blessed to have you on this program, and we really thank you for the presence. ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Carry on.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Jai Ho.
Thank you.
Jai Ho.
Close this session. Okay, it was I felt very happy to meet you all, and this was very much happiness-filled evening today. So joining in this Sattva Foundation by Vishaka. Thank you, Vishaka, and thank you, Dileepa. Yes,
Same feeling for us, like
platform, share my knowledge with all these people. Very nice to see you all. Thank you all.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot for joining.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You all made this venture more interesting, and I hope you all learned from it and enjoyed participating in it as much as we enjoyed having you here. And thank you, ma'am, very much. Thank you, all of you, and we hope to see you in the future events. And next that will be on October 20th. I am announcing, and we are scheduled the next program on 20th October. And thank you, welcome all of you to this program. And thank you once again, all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the wonderful program. Just really being prestige to be here.
Thank you.
And your session was really wonderful. It was in fact life hacks for everyday life. So
Thank
it's
you.
actually really so beneficial for everyone. And here my mom is also sitting and she has also been practicing the same. So thank you, and thank you for the wonderful presentation. You have been taking so much of effort also by coming up to do and make us.
So on behalf of Sattva and Yukta Online and Yukta Practices, we are just thanking you all for this wonderful participation. Like, even without your participation, we couldn't make this session so interactive and so beautiful. So especially we don't know how do we extend thanks to Saraswati ma'am, because we know her personally for long years, and she was really a motivator for all of us. When Vishaka was going for the yoga sessions, he used to tell her to me to come for the sessions and not sit idle at home.
You are also attending my classes.
Yeah, ma'am. So when we started, it was a structured class. After a few minutes, it just went off as a very interactive and very closely conducted session. So really thankful for all of you who has joined. I'm not telling all of your names because there are so many people. Everybody are so close to us and so important for us. And we have some people from outside India also joined our program. So really happy to have all these things together. And was another blessing for us. Anyway, we feel so blessed on this. Thank you all. Thanks a lot for all these blessings. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinod Kumar. Your tonsils problems will be solved. Everybody eat healthy, stay strong, practice yoga. Any help, you can ask me. You can ask Dileepa and Vishaka. I am ready to answer any queries. Okay? Thank you all.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
I will say thanks to our media partner 92.7 Bigger from Hattizumi and Kidlam Bureaus. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. We will wind up the session and meet up again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Bye.